Today's topic is to count the occurrences of a word in a given string. So first, we are going to create a function named count in which we are going to pass our string and a word over here. After that, we are splitting the strings and we are storing them in an X variable. After that, we are initializing that the count tends to be 0. And then we are going through each and every element in our X up to the range of the X. After that, we are comparing that if the word which we have passed, which we need to find out, is equal to that particular element of our X, then we are increasing the value of the count. If it isn't, then we are doing nothing, and after that we are returning the count. As you can see to here, our string has been comprised of triple A, triple B, triple C, triple D, and triple E. We need to find the triple C occurrences in our given string. So let's see. As you can see, the triple C has been came in our list only the one time.